Understanding your paycheck is essential for managing your personal finances effectively. The first core element to consider is your gross pay, the total amount you earn before any deductions. This is typically based on your hourly wage or salary and any overtime or bonuses you may have earned. Next, it's crucial to examine your deductions. These include federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and any contributions to retirement plans or health insurance premiums. Reviewing each deduction helps you know exactly where your money is going. Finally, focus on your net pay, the amount you actually take home after all deductions. This figure represents the money that's available for your living expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. By understanding your gross pay, deductions, and net pay, you gain clarity over your earnings, ensuring you can budget wisely and plan for your financial future with confidence.